Okay, I have figured out how to make the Tesla automatic windshield wiper work. As most of you have noticed, it is not working anymore. It seldom does what it's supposed to do. It turns on when there's no rain, and it doesn't turn on when there is rain. I have found a solution to your problem. See, your problem is solved. The only problem is you have to put it in park for them to work, and then if you put it in drive, if you want to move, it's in drive now, just shut off again. I guess you're just not supposed to drive the car in the rain, because it's going to come on when you put it in park, like right there, but it's not going to come on when you put it in drive. See, I have solved your problem. I should add a laughing out loud to that one. Hooray for Tesla.